get it together.
Ooh, so supposed to do that? Oh yeah.
What is going on, my boo? It is your girl STACIEWO. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Today, honey, we are going to be busting it up, playing in some makeup, but we have a little guest, and I'm not going to be doing my makeup today, okay? So we have somebody that's going to be doing my makeup, that's going to be hooking me up, and I'm just going to bring this girl right on in. You know what I'm saying? Because she's about to beat my face the proper way, all right? So come on in, honey.
Hi guys, my name is Asuni and I'm gonna do my mom makeup.
Okay, yes, so we are going to be getting right into it. So I'm gonna turn this way. And what is the vibe that we are doing today? You can show your little inspiration because she has an inspiration.
So we're gonna do this for my mom's eye and this for my mom's lip.
Yeah, we're doing this for the lip. Okay.
So this is the concealer that we're gonna use for my mom's makeup.
Okay. You want me to put my hair to the side?
Yeah.
Okay. So I'm gonna put my hair to the side. All right, and you about to beat it?
Yeah.
I'm about to see it. You about to beat this face? Okay, so. All right, so I'm gonna turn this way so you can really see. Yeah, there you go, and then you get right into it. Okay. All right.
So first I'm putting the concealer on
Okay.
so you won't see, you know.
What? My bumps?
Yeah.
Oh, I got bumps on my face. Last time I checked out,
not
I
really
mean,
bumps.
okay, because I don't have
It's
any.
smooth.
It's very
but
smooth. I do my skin routine.
It's a swollen more cutie.
You know, doing her thing. Hook it up.
So now I'm about to use this right here. Wait, do we supposed to put the thing on?
Yeah, you gotta put the concealer. Oh, you just doing okay? Oh, you lining my lips?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
I've seen everybody like do makeup, so I want to do makeup too.
Okay, so who's everybody? Is it me? Or is
Well, yes.
okay, because you saying everybody, like, who else? So, yeah, it's not everybody. I see my mom. That's what you say. I see my mom do makeup, and, you know, so you be seeing me.
Yeah.
Okay, so you lined half of my lips, not the other side?
I mean,
Come on now. You be watching me.
I mean.
Did you do this side?
What?
Child. And make sure you put it on my lips and not on top like this. Like I want to look. Okay. So she lined my lips. Okay. So you put my lips on first before you do my concealer and all that? My foundation, all that?
Oh.
Like, yeah. Put
Yeah.
okay, but then listen. She want to do it for, listen, this your way. It's your world, baby.
Ooh, this is
Yeah. Ooh. Don't do no more. It's a lot.
So we're just gonna put my hand in that. I know.
I mean, you could use a brush.
Oh, a brush too.
Oh, here go a makeup wipe too if you don't want that stuff on your hand. That's not what we do. We take away makeup wipe and we open it up, like that, and then wipe your hands off. Wipe your hands off. If you want to wipe my lips off, you can. If that's too much.
So how you been?
I've been good, girl. I've been good.
So.
Okay, so what we gonna do? Cause we still have nothing on the face but lips and a little bit of concealer.
Oh, can you move this?
Yeah, sure.
We're gonna use this for now.
Okay.
For like right now.
Okay.
My hand brush.
Okay.
Like that.
Oh, so you want to show them the palette that you're using?
So I'm using this palette. My mom got this for Christmas. It's the best palette ever.
Best palette ever?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm putting this pink glitter. This is the pink glitter.
Okay, girl.
Ooh. Don't look at it.
Okay. You like that?
Yeah.
Okay.
You know when like people like do it like this?
Mm-hmm.
It's cool, but they do it with tape and then like do that.
Yeah.
So it can be a little cuter.
Yeah. It's better to slay? Oh, okay.
It's better this way. I mean.
Oh, better this way. I thought you said it's better to slay. I was about to say, oh, you slaying. Oh, okay.
Well, it is better to slam.
It was better slaying. You getting very serious. You're very serious. You're very dedicated. I'm loving it. Oh, this is cute. You saw me? Yes, y'all see. Yes, go on the other side. Get it, girl. Hook mommy up. Yes, y'all see it. Stop playing with my child. Go ahead, baby.
So now
we're gonna do the concealer under the eyes, because I mean these dark circles, I don't want you to be showing them.
Where's the concealer?
It's right here, and this one right here. If you want to put the light one and put it under there, whichever one. You can put the light one on. It's much, yeah. All right, so you're using concealer now?
Yep, I'm using this kind of concealer. Ooh.
Yes, honey, get that concealer. If you got go on the other side, go on the other side.
Did you did both? Ooh.
Yeah.
Did you did both before?
Yeah, I did both before.
This keep falling in.
Okay.
Do you have a makeup wipe? Oh, it's right here.
It's beautiful. I like the bead.
Makeup wipe. Thank you.
My child is serious. That's why we a little quiet, because she is not playing. She really is doing this makeup. Let them know. Oh, you had to wipe it off?
Yep, I messed up. I'm actually not doing the wipes anymore.
Why? Because you think it's too much?
Yeah,
It's
like
not.
it's not your skin.
It's not supposed to be. It's supposed to be a light. But go ahead, girl.
I don't.
Here, you want to use this?
Oh, that look cute. Yes.
Show them what you want to use.
So we're gonna use this now, cause yeah.
You like that better?
Yeah.
Okay, go ahead. So you can use a lot of that and just use a little bit of the light. So we're doing under eye concealer.
Yeah. That what I'm talking about.
Oh, that's what you're talking about. Oh, okay.
Don't want to waste my time over some under eyes. Cause why waste your time, you know? Okay, that one's cute. I think I have to blend it a little bit more.
Okay. All right.
So now we're gonna do
The lips. So for
the contour.
And you need a contour brush. And we're contouring the face.
This is cute.
It's cute?
I mean, this is my first time, so it won't be as good as you. But it's still cute.
Yes.
It's even.
It's even. Go ahead, girl. Get the contour. Stop playing. Oh yeah. Looks beautiful. Yes. Tap it. Let them know. Okay.
So done with the contour.
We need some foundation.
Yep, foundation.
Okay. Yes, girl.
Ooh.
What?
I'm really focused about makeup because I don't want to ruin anything.
Mm-hmm.
I want to make it pretty and stuff.
Yes, baby.
But it's still a lot of cuteness because of the contour.
Okay.
I've seen people like this put it in here.
Okay, put it on their hand.
Yeah.
Okay, girl, put it on your hand and do your thing. Yes, put the drop on your hand.
And then just do that.
Yeah, and just do that. Yeah. You got it.
Oh, guys, do y'all like my outfit? My sister did it for me.
Shout out to Uni.
Shout out to my sister.
Okay.
So what's your favorite color, Mama?
You don't know my favorite color?
I mean, it's blue, but what else your favorite color? Just blue?
Yeah, just blue. I like blue. I like all kinds of blue.
Light blue, dark blue.
Light blue, dark blue, the sky. I really like blue because I like the ocean and I like the sky.
Ooh.
That's why I like blue. Yeah. You doing the under eye now? Focusing on the under eye.
Actually focusing on the lip.
Oh, you want?
Because we didn't really do the lip.
Okay. And I do have this kind of like shimmer too.
Ooh, shimmer and shine.
Yeah, shimmer and shine. But I think you have to put the lipstick on first. So show them the lipstick that we're doing.
This lipstick.
It's by what? Morphe. Okay.
How you open it?
You just open it just like that. And then you push it up like that.
Okay.
All right, now put it on.
So how long you been doing makeup?
I've been doing makeup. How old are you? You are 6. I've been doing
6.5 actually. Because my birthday coming up.
Okay, well, 6.5. So I've been actually doing makeup for 5 years.
Whoa. 5 years. That's good because you know how people like do makeup?
Mm-hmm.
They don't really be doing makeup for like a long time. They be taking breaks.
Mm-hmm.
So who learned you to do makeup?
You mean who taught me how to do makeup?
Yeah.
No one taught me. I just looked at certain people, and mommy was blessed to have a photographic memory, and like I can like look at stuff and be able to learn stuff by just staring at it. So I stared at and looked at certain people that inspired me, and then mommy said I was gonna do makeup.
Yeah.
Lip is popping. Lip is popping.
So do you love doing makeup?
Yes, I do. I love it. It's
Like,
fun.
is it the best thing in the world?
No, the best thing in the world is being a mom.
Period.
So now you gotta get the brow bone.
Yeah, the Bravo.
Oh, okay, girl. Oh, but that's not my brow bone. That's under my eye. But go ahead, do your thing.
Yeah, but that's how it's supposed to be.
Okay. Yeah, blush. Here's the blush right here.
The blush right here.
And make sure you use a blush brush.
Yes.
All right.
So every time you like do blush, you always have to get a blush brush.
Mm-hmm.
So, did your mom know how to do makeup?
Mm-mm.
She didn't?
Mm-mm. No. Everybody don't know how to do makeup, so.
Oh, because I seen this little girl. You was on live with her, and she was like doing makeup, and you said, this girl teach me how to do makeup. So I was like, so she teach you, so I thought she teach you in real life, not like.
Well, she did teach me in real life. It's just that she's on a video, and I know who you're talking about. You're talking about Telemaid Jay. I really like her. She did show me a lot about makeup. The spray, like what we gotta do.
So where's the spray?
The spray is right here. You can tell them. So let them know. Hey, hey, hey.
So this is the spray.
Hold up. Just go like this. See that?
Yeah.
You forgot to put powder on too.
Powder.
Yes, we have to do setting powder. But you can set my skin. It's okay to set the skin. It's okay to set the skin. So here's your puff. And now you're
I
going
seen
to...
this girl, she has this.
So now you just tap that in there. And put that right on under my eye. Maybe, you know, get it together.
Ooh. So supposed to do that? Oh, yeah.
Child, you put it on. Yes, girl.
Oh, and it make it cute too.
It do?
Yes.
Oh, I'm not looking crazy? No, I ain't looking crazy. Okay.
Go, when I tried to, like, one time I was like 4 and I was like doing Yumi makeup. I keep doing that.
It's because you just...
I was like doing Yumi makeup and stuff.
That's how I feel. I feel like that. I feel like that. I feel like you just beating me.
Yumi didn't really let me do the makeup because that time I didn't really know how to do makeup because I was still on this.
All right, we got a spray.
Just gotta put this one more spray for this, so. Oops.
You spray it from a distance.
Oh.
That's still close. Bring it back. Bring it back. Bring it back. Hey. Get my face. Oh, yeah. Get it. Oh. Yeah. You taking me down. You taking me down.
Ooh.
And is we done?
Do we?
Hold on, let me just take that excess off.
That's a lot.
Like, let me just take that off. All right.
Wait, can you do that one more time? Cause.
All right. Okay. All right.
Okay, and we are done. And thank you so much for watching. Hit that subscribe button and do the comments. Or something, I don't know.
Thank you so much, my boo, for watching me and watching me grow and watching me and my daughter playing some makeup. Don't forget to keep God first, and I will see you, my boo, in my next video. Mwah.
Bye.
Peace.